Hi students, today this topic example sums. Now example 3. Find the value of first one 5 power 4, second one minus 12 power 3, third one minus 8 power 2, fourth one minus 3 power 4. Now find out that value how much. First one 5 power 4. Here base 5 having power 4. So 5 into how many times? 4 times. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 power 4. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now you multiply. 5 5s are 25. Multiply 5 5s are 25. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Here 5 5s are 25. Now 25 into 25. 25 25s are 625. So 5 power 4 value 625. Second one minus 12 power 3. That's 3 name cube. Minus 12 power 3. Minus 12 into minus 12 into minus 12. So here power 3 having. So 3 times 1, 2, 3. Now 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144. Here minus, here minus. So minus into minus plus. Next one into minus 12 having. Now 144 into minus 12. Now you multiply 144 multiply 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. 1 1s are 1. 8, 12, remainder 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Next one, 1. So, 1728. Minus 12 power 3, 1728. Here plus, here minus. So, plus into minus, minus. So, minus 12 power 3 value minus 1728. Next one. Minus 8 power 2. This one square. 2 means square. 3 means cubed. Minus 8 square. Minus 8 into minus 8. Minus 8 8s are 64. Minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. So 64 only coming. Next one. Minus 3 power 4. Here base minus 3. How many times? 4 times. So minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Here 4 times I did. 3 3s are 9. Here minus into minus plus into 3 3s are 9. Minus into minus plus. So here 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. So minus 3 power 4 value 81. So this like you find out the value. Now here minus, here also minus, minus value have it. Here minus 12 power 3. This power odd number coming. Answer minus. So even number coming. Power 2 here 4. These two even numbers. That answer positive only coming. So this way find out the answer. Next one. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? 2 power 3 or 3 power 2? Here which number is greater, 2 power 5 or 5 power 2. This also find out. First one, 2 power 3 or 3 power 2. Now you find out 2 power 3 value, 3 power 2 value. 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next 3 power 2, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So here 8, here 9. Which one greatest? 3 power 2. Here 8, 9. 9 is greatest. Therefore 2 power 3 less than 3 power 2. Next one, B question. 2 power 5 or 5 power 2. Now which one is greatest? You find out the value 2 power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. Next 5 square. 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. Now here 32, here 25. Which one is greatest? 2 power 5, that is 32. 32 greatest 25. Therefore 2 power 5 greatest 5 power 2. So this way you find out which one is greatest. This is answer. Next one, express the numbers. Express the numbers as a product of powers of prime factors. Here 2144, 16,000 having. You find out the express the numbers as product of powers. First one, 2000. You know that prime factors. What is meant by prime number? The divisible by 1 and that number itself. So here write it only for prime numbers. First one 2. 2 divide it 2000. So 1000. Another 2. Here 2 divide. So 500. Next one 2 divide 250. Next one 2 divide. How many times? Here 1, 2, 5. 125. Next here 2 divide. No 3. No, you divide for 5. How many times? 25. Next one 5. 5 1 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now 2000 equal to this one. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into next 5 into 5 into 5. Here 2 how many times? 4 times. So this like 2 power 4 write it. Next one 5. 1, 2, 3. 2 power 5. So 2000 how to write this one in power product of powers? 2 power 4 multiply 2 power 5. Next one second question. 144. 144. Now here prime numbers 2. Here how many times? 7. Here 2. 72. Next 2. 36. Next one 2. 2 how many times 36? 18 times. Next one 2. 9 times. Here 2 divide. Here 9 having. So divide 3. 3 how many times 9? 3 times. Next one 3. 1 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 144 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. If 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times having. So this one 2 power 4 writing. Multiply 3 2 times. So 3 power 2. So 144. How to write in product of powers? 2 power 4 into 3 power 2. This is second one answer. Next one, third, 16,000. Now find out. Here 2 divide. 16,000 divide 2. 8,000 divide 2. 4,000. 4,000 divide to 2,000. 2,000 divide to 1,000. 1,000 divide to 500. 500 divide to 250. 250 divide to 125. Next, here 2 divide. No, you put 5. How many times? 25. 5. 5 times. 5. 1 times. So, 2 into 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 5 into 5 into 5. This one, how to write answer? 16,000 equal to, right? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into next one 2 5 into 5 into 5. So how many 2s are in here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 here 5 1 2 3. So this one 2 power 7. Multiply 5 power 3. So 16,000 how to write in product of powers? Easily 2 power 7 into 5 power 3. So this way you find out the answer. Next one, example 6. Find minus 1 power 3, comma 1 power 4, comma minus 10 power 5, comma minus 5 power 4. This one find the value. First one, minus 1 power 3. So minus 1 multiply minus 1 multiply minus 1. Here minus 1 having how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1 1 sir. 1. Int. Minus into minus. Plus. So here minus 1 having. 1 into 1 minus 1. Second one 1 power 4. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. 1 1 sir 1. 1 1 sir 1. Now 1 1 sir 1 only answer. Next one minus 10 power 5. How to write? Minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. Minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. So 5 times I did. 10 tens are 100. Minus into minus plus. 10 tens are 100. Minus into minus plus. Here minus 10 having. So 100 into 100, 10,000. 10,000 into minus 10. 10,000 into minus 10. 1 lakh. Here plus, here minus. So plus into minus, minus. So minus 1 lakh. Next one. Minus 5 power 4. Minus 5 power 4. How to write? Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. 5 by is 25. Minus into minus plus. 5 by is 25. Minus into minus plus. So 25 into 25, 625. So this way you find out the answer.